Industry 4.0 is here, and robotics is leading the charge. Despite remarkable progress, robotics still faces many real-world challenges. In today's classrooms, students often lack hands-on learning opportunities. While teachers are constrained by limited teaching tools and structured supporting curricula. In professional robotics settings, many cobots lack the precision and openness needed for advanced research and commercial demonstrations. With the mission Enjoy Robot World, Elephant Robotics brings innovative robotic solutions to education, research, smart homes, manufacturing, healthcare, logistics, retail, and beyond, where education remains our core focus area. The first is our compound robot solution. It's a comprehensive all-in-one training platform that seamlessly integrates both hardware and software. It is designed specifically for colleges and professional training programs. With one-click startup and clear visual demonstrations, it supports effective teaching and hands-on learning, teaching curricula and lab manuals, covering robot control, machine vision, and more, and also supports customized offerings, such as tailored course outlines based on learning objectives and robotic solutions designed for specific projects or application scenarios. The second solution is our portable, artificial intelligence educational workstation. It is designed as a suitcase-style, highly integrated, ready-to-use teaching platform, featuring a modular quick-plug design that combines portability with strong scalability. It can be quickly deployed in classrooms and laboratories for education and demonstration purposes. It is integrated with 5 vision algorithms and comes with a complete 15-week curriculum, helping students develop practical skills in machine vision, sensor control, and collaborative robotics. Last, beyond our educational solutions, we also offer professional robots. These cobots deliver high-precision performance with an open and flexible design, unlocking new possibilities for research and commercial applications. Now, it's time to explore our latest America's Market strategy. The compound robot solution goes beyond hardware, offering comprehensive curricula and customized robotics solutions tailored to learning goals. The portable AI educational workstation is a ready-to-use platform that offers fast deploy, modular AI vision and robotics learning with a complete curriculum.
Please look this way. 3, 2, 1, chase. Don't forget to take your photo.
In the Americas, U.S. orders ship directly from our local warehouse, and additional regional warehouses are under active preparation. Along with detailed documentation, we provide professional and reliable online technical support. Our team offers one-on-one assistance with rapid response. The Americas market has always been one of our key markets to better serve customers across more than 30 countries and regions in North, Central, and South America. We provide robots and robotics solutions tailored to local market needs. We have consistently participated in major technology and robotics events such as CES and ICRA, and this year marks our 4th successful participation at CES. By leveraging our resources efficiently, we showcase our latest robotic products and gather valuable feedback from customers and partners to further refine our America's market strategy. In the future, we will continue to engage in key market activities across the Americas, including IROS 2026 in Pittsburgh and CES 2027 in Las Vegas. We're expanding our local warehouse network across the Americas and actively looking for like-minded partners interested in exploring robotics together. You can reach out to us through any of the channels above.